Hey everybody, welcome to another great episode of Local Eats. Today we have Chef Wood Porter here. He is a private chef and the founder of Wood is Cooking Private Chef Company. Today he's going to be showing us how to make chicken and waffles. Very excited about it.
Thanks for having me. Excited to be here.
Chi-Town's got the funk. Yo, Chi-Town's got the funk. Chi-Town's got the funk. Chi-Town's got the funk. Yeah, Chi-Town's got the funk. Yeah.
Okay, so now tell me your take on chicken and waffles. First, let's just start with the waffles. How do you prepare the batter?
A perfect waffle, I think, will be, subjective to your own imagination.
Very true.
I wouldn't say I have a perfect waffle,
Mm-hmm.
but definitely just those staples of like I said, honey and the vanilla extract.
But you prefer it to be crispy.
I do.
You know what I'm saying?
Crispy,
cool, me too,
airy,
because I think we've all had those wobbly waffles where they just don't really, you know what I'm saying, stick to the plate. It's just like pretty terrible.
Yeah, definitely have like some height to it and some firmness.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm excited, man.
First step, I start with the dry ingredients. So
Okay.
it consists of like self-rising flour, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda. I blend that together just to kind of get that all incorporated. Then the wet ingredients consist of egg whites, buttermilk, vanilla extract, honey.
Oh, wow.
And so we combine those all together, add it to just like a small little deli or little container, let that rest for a couple of minutes while the waffle iron is getting hot. I typically like a medium to medium high heat to ensure that 4 to 5 minute cooking time for the waffle. We're looking for like a golden brown, crispy color. That's how I typically indicate that it's ready to roll.
Probably the best.
For sure.
Best when it's that way.
So it's coming off right now, the last of the 4 that we have. And we're looking for that golden brown color.
This is exactly what you was talking about, the golden brown color.
So now that the waffles are finally done, we're gonna put them in the oven for about maybe 5 to 6 minutes at 225 degrees, just to let them rest and continue to heat as the other waffles are getting done.
How would you describe your specific style of cooking?
I would definitely say it has a lot of Southern flair, Southern fusion to it. I wouldn't describe it as soul food, but very, very Southern. I like to incorporate different ethnic cuisines and flavors to that Southern basis that I grew up on.
Okay, cool. And what would you say that specific style that you just explained, what would you say that originated from?
You know what? My family, my mom, my aunts, my grandma, they're all from Mississippi. So
nice. Cool.
So I remember just every Christmas, every Easter, and things like that. We a lot of fried chicken, a lot of fried fish. We had these what we call fish fries.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Fried fish and spaghetti and things like that.
So we have all the ingredients here. The oil's starting to get a little hot. So what's the next step in frying the chicken right now?
So while the oil is hot, I get into like a 260, 275 degree range.
Okay.
So that's ready to roll. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the breading of the chicken. So I have some eggs here. Just add an egg to the battered marinated buttermilk chicken.
Okay.
What's in there already is just some buttermilk, a little bit of hot sauce for some flavor, a little bit of color, cracked black pepper, a little bit of sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder. So it should be very, very flavorful.
Yeah, it sounds great.
Yeah.
Cool.
I like the egg because it helps the coating of the flour and the dredge to adhere to the chicken.
Right.
And then we'll put it in a separate bowl, let it rest for a second to let that flour and that coating just kind of stick to it. Yeah, and then we're ready to roll.
Cool. So are we going
Yeah, so I'll show you the first couple.
Okay,
yeah, so cool. Got two egg yolks in here.
Okay.
Got one wing. I like chicken wings a lot.
Don't we all?
Yeah. Get it in that batter, in that flour. Make sure we coat it as much as we can. You're gonna see, once you shake it off, you're gonna see what we're looking for is just like some crevices and things like that. Once it fries up, you're gonna get like these crunchy nuggets on the chicken. It's gonna taste really good. But so yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Shake it off.
Cool.
Put it in that bowl, and we can.
Let's give it a try.
Yeah, for sure.
All right. Perfect. I haven't fried chicken in a minute. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Just kind of toss it around.
Yeah.
Got you. I got you.
I like that, man.
Cool.
That's good. Yeah,
all
good
right.
job, for sure. We're gonna start with the first couple, man, and give us a quick little shake. I like putting maybe 2 or 3 in there at a time.
Yeah, smart.
You want to overcrowd the pan.
Exactly.
Then once I get these in there, I'm gonna actually turn the heat up just a little bit. The chicken's been cooking for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. What we're looking for right now is a golden brown color. So we're gonna lift that up. You see how when we were with the flour, how those little crevices kind of cooking up into like these crunchy nuggets now. So we're gonna let that go for maybe five more minutes. Get it really, really golden, really, really crispy.
So we got everything all ready. The waffles, the chicken, you got the garnishes here, as well as the infused syrup that you made, right?
For sure, yeah.
Cool, so I mean, yeah, let's plate it all up and get this thing going. So this looks amazing.
What I typically like to do, I like 1 waffle per maybe 2 chicken wings.
Okay.
So that's what we'll do. We'll do 1 waffle, top it with let's see, 2 or 3 chicken wings. I'm really big on plating and aesthetically looking pleasing food. So let's see, check out the best ones. So what I have here, like some maple syrup is the base, a couple dashes of Louisiana hot sauce, some honey and a little bit of butter. I kind of let that simmer on the stove to kind of let those flavors kind of infuse and incorporate with each other. This is going to be our sauce or our syrup for the chicken and waffles.
Wow, that sounds really good. Maple syrup with hot sauce, that's crazy. Yeah, that's gonna go really well with the chicken.
Yeah, so I like the color that the syrup has with the hot sauce. So then the next I'm gonna do, add a little powdered sugar. Man, I'm hungry, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm like really excited for this. And
appetite.
Literally looks like it could be in any restaurant.
Just kind of go from there.
Cool.
So there it is, man.
This is amazing. This looks so good. I can't wait. So we just dive right in? Should we just dive right in?
Let's do it.
Dive right in? Okay, cool. Nothing better. Nothing better. I'm not just saying that either. I'm telling you, it's just fire. It's really good. I'm trying to compose myself without looking crazy, but it's really good. Thank you so much, Chef, for joining us today. That was honestly some of the best chicken and waffles I've ever had. Where can the viewers find you on social media, find your pictures, or just like reach out to you if they ever want to you to cater some of their events?
Definitely. So I'm on social media, Instagram, CookWoodP, CookWoodP, Facebook, Wood Porter, and just check me out and I'll follow you back.
So that's a wrap for this episode of Local Eats. Thank you all for joining us and looking forward to seeing you all again.